Okay, so we're going to go through question 7. Question 7 says, here are two groups of numbers, A and B. One number is moved from A to B. The sum of the numbers in B will now be 20 more than the sum of the numbers in A. Which number is moved? You must show your workings. So reading the question, we are looking for sums of the numbers. Okay, that would be the first place to start. So add them all up. You will land up with, okay, so if you have 19, add 11, add 14, add 32, add 16, add 9, that is going to give you 101. So there's 101 in there at the minute. That would be for A. For B, we've got 31, add 18, add 28, add 12, and that is going to give you 89. If I add them all together, A plus B, I'm going to land up with 101 plus 89. So altogether, I have got 190. When I'm done, okay, group B has got to have 20 more than group A. You would already get 1 mark for that. Okay, so just adding all the numbers together is going to give you one of the 3 marks that they need. So if A is 20 more than, if B is 20 more than A and the sum doesn't change, we need to find out which one of these numbers we need to move into here to make that true. Now you could do trial and error. Okay, you could have 89, take away 11 from the side, add it to that, then compare, is 120 more than the other? You could do it that way. Or you know that altogether, once you have taken the 20 away, okay, because that 20 is going to, B is going to have 20 more, and you divide that by 2, you will find out how much is going to be in group A. Okay, so that's going to be 85. 190 minus 20 divided by 2 is 85. So you're going to have 85 in here, 85 plus 20 in here. Okay. That means that you've got 85 there. So 101 take away 85 is going to give you 16. Okay, so you have moved 16 across. Okay, so question 8. Okay, some more calculations to be done here. Question 8 says, Beth sells hot dogs at a market. Each hot dog is a sausage in a bread roll. She sells her hot dogs for £3 each. The table shows her costs. So in order for her to be selling her hot dogs wherever she's doing that, at that market, she has to pay them £240 for. So that's the fee paid to the market. Her bread rolls cost 42p for 6. Her sausages cost £2.50 for a jar of 10. And then she's got other costs of £57. Okay, so this is all the things she needs to be paying out. Her other costs could be anything. It could be her petrol to get to there. It could be anything. Okay, we don't know what that is, but it is a cost that she needs to pay. Beth sells the hot dogs for £3 each. She sells 300 hot dogs, and we need to work out her total profit. Profit is how much she makes after she pays for everything else. Okay, so profit is how much she makes. So first of all, best place to start for me would be is to find out how much does she make on that day before she takes off any of her costs. So if I have 300 multiplied by 3, I am going to land up with £900. Okay, so at the end of the day, after selling 300 hot dogs at £3 each, she will have £900. Out of those £900, she's got to cover her costs. So we could write here, okay, so first of all, having a look here, so we've got the cost of the market, which is going to be 204, so all her costs. So costs, market fee is £240. Now, how many packs of bread rolls does she need to buy in order to make those 300 hot dogs? Well, 300 divided by 6, because there's 6 in each pack, is going to give you 50. So she needs to buy 5 packs of bread rolls. So 5, so 50 multiplied by 42. Okay, so she needs 50 packs. They all cost, each one costs 42p, and that is going to cost her £21. How many jars of sausages does she need? Well, she needs for 300, so 300 divided by 10 is going to give you so she needs to buy 30 jars of sausages, and each jar of sausages costs £2.50, so that is going to cost her £75. Her other costs are £57. Now, I haven't done this very neatly. You need to really do it so you can add it up nicely. So it's okay to make a mistake. Just cross it out and line them up nicely. Okay, so that you can add them. Okay, so adding them up, you will have £343. So altogether, in order for her to be able to sell those 300 sausages, she needs to spend £343. So her profit is the £900 take away the £343, which is going to give her £557 profit. So it's 557.